to my channel Learn at Cloud Analytics. When creating a Power BI report, did you ever wonder if you have to use an import query or if you have to use a direct query? If yes, then in this video I am going to clear on your doubts. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Before you start creating any report, you must first understand what are these options do. And what does an import option do and what does a direct query option do? So the first option is import. What does an import option do? When you choose to use an import option in your Power BI report, you are going to create a copy of the data source within Power BI desktop. So the data in the data source, whether it is coming from an Excel spreadsheet or from a SQL Server database or any other data source, the data from there you are taking a copy of the data and putting the data within Power BI desktop file so that that data you have it within the PBIX file you create. So that's what the import option does. So it is importing or bringing all the data into your Power BI desktop. Whereas when you want to choose the direct query option, you are going to create a connection to the data source and then getting the data from there, which means that you are going to call the data from the data source and pull that data within Power BI report. When you use this import option, as you are creating a copy of your data within the PBI file, that is within your Power BI file, and when you publish that report which has import option, you don't have to go to anywhere else to get the data. So when you want to see the visualization, then the report is extremely fast because all your data is right there in the report. But when you publish the report to Power BI service using the direct query option, because you have to go to the original data source first and get the data from there, it is going to take some time. So with direct query option, the report would be slightly slower when compared to that of a import query option. So that is the first comparison between the import and the direct query option. The second point to look at is uh, the size consideration. So when you do not have a premium account and you need to import large amount of data to Power BI, then you are only going to allow with max of 1 GB data. Okay, but if you have a premium account, you can only exceed up to 10 gigs of data. But if your data size is more than 10 GB of data, then you cannot opt for import option. Okay, so that is about the import query. Now let's see this with a direct query option. So when you have this direct query option, every data set within that report cannot exceed more than 1 million rows. And this is a limitation for every data set in that particular report. Okay. And the next point is if you use an import option in Power BI, you can use all the functionalities of Power BI. Whereas with direct query option, you have a limited access or limited features being enabled with that particular direct query mode. For example, when you establish a connection using an import query, you can connect to all the data sources that are available within Power BI desktop. But with direct query, it would not or it limits to only certain data sources. So this is one of such comparison as a example here. But so the next point here is with an import option, you can use multiple data sources in the report. So, for example, initially you might have connected to an Excel spreadsheet using an import query. And then while you are working on the report, you might need to connect to another data source. So, you can connect to SQL database again and get that combined data to be shown in your respective report. So, with an import option, you can connect to multiple data sources in the same report. Whereas with a direct query option, you will not be allowed to connect to any other data source apart from the one that you have initially connected, and your report can only be built using that one single data source. And you cannot change the data source, and you cannot connect to any other data source to get the resultant data from the combination of both them, multiple data sources to show that on a single report. So these are the important differences that you can compare between the two types of connections that you establish within Power BI Desktop. So I hope you understood the differences between an import and a direct query option within Power BI Desktop. Thank you.